Hi, and welcome to Ovens and Dragons, where this empty nester dad tries to level up his cooking game. Though I spent some time in college as a short order cook, I was never professionally trained. My cooking experience has been limited to just following someone else's recipes. But I want to do more than just follow directions. I want to experiment with food. I want to switch up recipes. I want to see if I can come up with something new that's uniquely me. Most importantly, I want to have fun. Now, I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen with this channel. I hope there will be some pretty cool food successes. I can guarantee that there are going to be some pretty spectacular food fails. But you know what? We can walk that path together and see what happens. Come join me on Ovens and Dragons.